Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be going through all my dumplings and I'm going to open them up and act like they're surprises. I already know, but I don't know if you guys know, so yeah. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm first going to be gonna put the little small ones. We're first gonna be doing this dumpling. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's pink. Okay. So this one is a fake dumpling and I got it from a gas station. But it's actually so cute. And it's actually kind of sticky, so I'm going to do some ASMR to it. And it's a little dirty right here because I made like a DIY squishy earlier, so that's why it's all over my hands too. So here's the first squishy. Next I think I'm going to be doing the bedazzled one. Let's see which squishy is in it. Okay, so it is the small Orby glitter one. I bedazzled this and I didn't ever finish the rest, but might just like do a little part in the middle or something. I don't know yet though. But that is that squishy for the small one and it's actually kind of nice. It's a little hard to squish though. Next we are going to be doing help me choose one. We will do that one. Or this one. Okay, so I have no idea what color this is. I'm hoping it's like my yellow one or my golden one, but I don't know. Oh, it's my other pink one. I have 2 pink ones. There was some ASMR for you guys. I have 2 pink ones and I got it. And there is another one, so stay tuned to see which one it is. Comment down below which one is your favorite so far. I think we're going to do this little small one next. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, here's one I traded one of my friend's brothers for. If you haven't watched part 1, part 2, and part 3 of fidget trading, you should do that right now. But it's actually so pretty. Like there's a little bit. It makes like no noise, but like I love it so much. Yeah, I chose out the new dumpling, and I think it's going to be this one. So yeah, let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's my yellow one. This was actually my first ever dumpling. It has so much air in it, though. Like, and it's like sort of an Orby texture, so let's do some ASMR to it. It does not make very good ASMR. And like, I think this is the case that actually came to it, but any big case, like, it only takes up like half of the size. Like, that's how small it is. So yeah. Here's the next one. It's going to be this one, and I think this is my... I actually don't know which one I think it is. I kind of ran out of ideas. So yeah, let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's my white one. Okay. This is my white bun one. It's fake, but like the texture is actually so nice. Comment down below if I should do cleaning all my squishies because they are filthy right now. Okay, so I chose out my next one and it's gonna be this one. So let's get the top off of it. I think this is like, I don't know actually. I think this is my real one. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's orange and the things are all over it, as you can see. That actually makes such a good noise, and I kind of like it with these on, like little sprinkles. Comment down below if I should keep them on or take them off. Okay, so we have 3 left, and I have no idea which one to do. I think so. We're going to do this one, and I have no idea which one it is. And this is also a bun, and I think this is my orange one. Oh wait, no, we just did my orange one. I don't know which one it is. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's my gold one. Oh my god. I love this one. I got the rare one and like, look how pretty that is. I'm gonna do a short on like which dumpling would you live in. I definitely choose this one. Cause like it's like glittery. It's so pretty. Probably this one. Or, not gonna lie, maybe that will orange ones. Okay, which one should we do? The black mystery fundo one, it's fake, or my real RMS dumpling? I think we should do my real RMS dumpling because it smells like orange and it doesn't really, but like 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's my orange sherbet one. I love it so much. The face is already coming off, which makes me so sad, but like, okay, let me show you inside this one. It's pretty foggy, so like, and it's not really foggy, it's kind of just the texture. And I got this like a week ago. Yeah, a week ago. Okay, last but not least, this one. Which one do you think I got, guys? So there is glitter ribbon, honey gel, glow in the dark glitter, or glitter bubbles. And my sister got a ribbon one, and I actually haven't opened mine yet, so like I'm actually wondering because like it had tape on it. I took it off because of the video though, like just before this one because I wanted to. But like, and one of my sisters got the honey gel, and my other sister hasn't opened hers yet. So, oh wait, I just saw it. I love it so much, guys. 3, 2, 1. It's the glitter ribbon. And guys, I know it's fake, like it doesn't say real, but like it feels so real. I want to see inside of it. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm definitely living in this one if I have to choose. Bye guys, come back for the next video.